What to do, guys? Welcome back to another video. Alright guys, so on this one we're gonna be taking a little break from working on the trucks, and we're actually gonna be helping out my boy Chava Vlogs. If you haven't, check him out on YouTube, which I'm pretty sure y'all have. So he got a flareside bed on his I think it's a bullnose. Yeah, it's a bullnose. It's an 80s truck, and it's missing a small piece on the back, kind of like mine was. And well, I have a kind of perfect bedside for the bed I'm getting ready for my truck, and we're gonna make him a little mold. That way he can have the exact body lines and like contours of the bed. So hopefully by the time he's done, he should have a pretty much straight bed with a good piece and everything, that the body line's matching. So yeah guys, I'm gonna go ahead and pull it off the bed, and we're gonna get started with that. So all right, so first things first, got the panel off. Now I did clean it up a little bit with some acetone, and you can kind of see the difference between here and here. So hopefully it should be clean enough. If not, it doesn't matter either way, because I'll be putting some PVA, which is supposed to brush in and then make a film, so the fiberglass I'm putting on top doesn't actually stick to my bedside. So yeah, that's all this is. It's just like a green solution, I guess. And yeah, once it dries, it's like a really thin film. So what I'm gonna do is use a brush and brush it on, and he sent me a couple pictures, and I'm gonna look at those to see how far I need to go over here, because I know the piece is missing. So yeah, I don't know if maybe I'll do it to here, and then I guess stop wherever's not broken anymore. So I'm gonna check out those pictures and see how far I need to go. All right guys, so first coat of PVA is down. As you can see, it is shiny, but it's dry to the touch. And I think just to be safe, I'm gonna add another coat, and between coats let it dry like 15 minutes just to be sure. And this is where my cutoff is gonna be. So yeah, hopefully it'll turn out good. All right, so second coat is dry. There is a few air bubbles, but it should be all right. Now we can mix our fiberglass resin, and I'm gonna cut up the fiberglass just so I can get these turns right here, these body lines, and should be ready for today, guys. So let me get my resin and my fiberglass together, and we can begin this. All right, so there we go. We got my resin, and we got the fiberglass cut up in strips, so it's easier to apply over here. And I got my little mixing cup, so I just put this so it wouldn't fly away. But I'm gonna pour this in my little cup, and it also has its hardener inside here. Come on, right there. And I'm not sure on the measurements, but I'm gonna be using a good amount just so I know it's hardening. Got most of it either way. So yeah guys, I'm gonna go ahead and mix this, and then I'll put y'all back on somewhere over here when I'm ready to dab this on. And also got a new brush, and just a little FYI, you can wash the PVA off, but you know, just to be safe. All right, so hopefully the air doesn't knock y'all over, but got my little resin, and I'm just gonna stir it up. Brush, new brush. Yeah, just messing up with the stick. Alright, so now all I'm gonna do is go over here and apply it, just so the fiberglass doesn't fly away. Alright, so I got the first coat, second coat, and I ran out of resin, so I'm gonna mix a little bit more so I can go ahead and finish this second coat on the bottom and let it dry a little bit and then proceed with third coat. So alright guys, next day here. Yesterday it got a little dark and then I had something to do, so I figured I'd let it dry, and here it is guys. Let's like it deadlift a little bit here. Hopefully there's no bubble inside here too. I think I'm gonna just try to pull it off. Hopefully nothing breaks. You can see like that, but I'm gonna do it off camera so I can use both hands guys. So yeah, I'll show you once it's off. Hopefully I don't break it. Alrighty guys, and here we have it, ready to go. It is a little thin, but it's a one-time use mold, so it should be pretty good. And there is no bubbles that I can see, so it should be pretty good to use. And I will be putting a little bit of PVA on this one, just so it's ready for him to do the fiberglass work. And this is the PVA after it dries. You see right there, it turns into like a little film, and that prevents the fiberglass and the resin to stick to your part. So yeah, and I'm gonna be sending him a little bit of this too, just so he has some just in case. But yeah guys, now all I gotta do is trim along the body line, that way all the fiberglass isn't just hanging out there. Hopefully it does them well. And there is a bug right there. I do not know when that got in there, but yeah, there's a bug in there guys. So I don't know if I'm gonna trim this up right now, but I am gonna clean all the PVA off the bedside, because I gotta do some more sanding on it, and I gotta prep it so I can paint it. But I don't know when it's gonna be painted guys, because we are replacing the whole bed on my truck. So alright guys, pues ahí nomás quedó. Got it all trimmed down, sanded the edges a little bit. Now, like I said, this will be a one-time use only mold, but look at all the lines guys. Should be pretty spot on. Now, yes, you can use this one, but you will have to do some body work. And well, this body line here is a little bit difficult to keep, which is this one. So I mean, all he has to do is mount it up on his bed. I kept a little this right here so he could use it as like a guide, and then back over here just clamp it down, screw it down, don't matter. And yeah, should be pretty much ready to go. So that's a nice little DIY mold. Now if you're gonna do a professional mold, obviously you need like I think it's called Gelcoat, then fiberglass. But since I don't have any of that, there it is. I mean, it'll still work, but you know, it's kind of like a DIY way. But yeah, guys, there she is. Hopefully it's all good, and his bed should be fixed. All right, guys, so that is gonna be it for this video. I got a lot of stuff to do here, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. But his mold is ready to go, guys. Hopefully, again, helps him. But yeah, that's how I do the molds. I know it's not the professional way, but I'm pretty sure it will still work. Now you can check out his channel. It's called Chava's Vlogs. Hopefully he makes a video on how to use this thing. But yeah, that's it for this one, guys. Remember, like and subscribe, follow me on Instagram. I will catch you guys on the next one. Peace.